everyone, it's Huda from Huda Beauty, and today I want to talk to you guys about baking. So baking is something that I think is one of the most important things for your makeup. First of all, there's so many benefits to baking. It keeps your makeup on all day long. It makes sure that you have no creases, no wrinkles, no mistakes around your eyes. It also helps brighten up areas where you really want to kind of emphasize contour, so it looks amazing in photos, and it's actually kind of easy to do. Our Easy Bake powders are super micronized, finely milled powders that just seamlessly blend into the skin. What they really do is they blur your pores, they blur wrinkles, they make your skin just look perfect overall. We have one super translucent color that is good for everyone, and then we have 7 shades that have these beautiful tones that really help to brighten and also conceal while you wear them. The shades are Sugar Cookie, Cupcake, Pound Cake, Banana Bread, Blondie, Kunafa, Cinnamon Bun, and Coffee Cake. I want to teach you guys the way I like to bake because I like to put it in different places, and you guys can apply this technique, take some of these tips, use all of them however you want to do it, and really play with the powder. I went ahead and prepped my skin using a primer, our Faux Filter foundation, and also a concealer. I'm going to grab the shade Blondie, which is my favorite shade. It's a little bit of a neutral kind of golden shade, and it does have quite a bit of yellow, which I like to use. To get the perfect amount of powder whenever you are baking, one of my favorite things to do is to flip it upside down, tap 1 to 3 times, flip it back over, and once you open it, you get just the perfect amount of powder, making it really easy to control application. And one thing that was really important for us to make this really easy, we wanted to add this netting to make sure that you guys get a nice amount of powder, but it's not overwhelming, it's not messy, and you can actually have a little bit of control through the application. Of course, we want to give you the best tools to actually have perfect application. So one of the tools that we created was the Bake and Blend brush, and this is a double-sided brush, making it really easy to pack on powder and bake, and then blending away any of the remnants of the powders to make sure that you have perfect application throughout the day. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm grabbing this Bake and Blend brush, and I'm grabbing the bake side, and I am packing on a nice amount of powder. I'm then just going to tap a couple times because there's a lot on there. And you can see the shape of the brush allows you to get into kind of smaller corners, like the corners of your eyes, and also the density allows you to pack on a nice amount of product for perfect application. So I'm just going to go ahead and I am just tapping under my eye, and literally perfect application. It's so easy. And again, going inside the corner of the eye, really close. And I'm going all the way against the lower lash line. So you really want to make sure you're going really high there. And you really only want to do it once, you don't want to kind of go over it. I'm now going to go into some other areas that I personally need, and I like to go around my mouth line because I smile too much, and I want to make sure that my makeup does not crease through the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to then apply it into my smile lines. I'm now just going to go ahead and apply a small amount onto my chin, and I'm just kind of putting it right at the tip. I like to elongate my chin. If you have a shorter chin, this is a really great tip you're going to love. And also because my T-zone gets a little shiny, I'm just going to apply some in the middle of my brows here. And this is going to ensure that my makeup looks flawless and they don't get shiny through the day. And I'm going to give you guys a couple extra tips in case anybody really wants to emphasize their contour. If you want to snatch your nose and also your jawline, you can add a little more contour right along the side of your nose, and this is going to make your nose look so pinched. If you have a really strong jawline, you don't necessarily need to do this, but if you have one that needs to be out, or you just want to just really emphasize your contour, just putting a little bit of powder here will bring out your jawline and make you look really nice. And when we are applying a powder like Easy Bake to areas where we really want to kind of emphasize highlighting, this really does create the illusion of just kind of a more seamless and really airbrushed contour, and it really brings those dimensions to life, the things that you really want to add depth and highlight. You can already see as the time has kind of gone by, you can see that this area looks really airbrushed and flawless. I'm going to go ahead and grab the blend side of the brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and swipe away any excess product. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish my makeup, applying powders in different areas, adding the highlighter, and then we will see the complete look. So you can see I went ahead and finished my makeup, and as I've set certain areas with the Easy Bake, it really looks super airbrushed, super highlighted, and just overall perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how to use our Easy Bake powders and how to get a perfect look all day long. We'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.